10 years, a decade of shared laughter, unwavering support, and a love that continues to grow. Today, we celebrate Tom and Sarah's beautiful journey, a testament to enduring connection. Their story begins each day with simple, heartfelt gestures, building a foundation of warmth. Sarah enters, a gentle smile on her face, appreciating the quiet start to their day together. She asks about his busy schedule, a small act of care that speaks volumes about their bond. These morning rituals, filled with kindness, set the perfect tone for their enduring love. As the morning progresses, Tom transitions to his work, his mind still on the special day ahead. At the office, amidst his tasks, the anticipation of his anniversary fills his thoughts. He shares his excitement with his colleague, Dave, revealing his secret plans for Sarah, red roses, a symbol of passion, and a reservation at her favorite Italian spot, Mario's. Every detail carefully chosen, reflecting a decade of understanding and affection. Meanwhile, Sarah embarks on her own thoughtful mission, seeking the perfect gift for Tom. She browses, considering what would truly resonate with his style and personality. Her eyes land on a classic blue-faced watch, a timeless piece, just like their love. The careful selection, the elegant gift wrapping, each step a reflection of her deep affection. Their mutual thoughtfulness, a beautiful dance of giving and receiving, defines their relationship. As the afternoon wanes, Tom rushes home, a spark of excitement in his eyes. He arrives, surprising Sarah, who is pleasantly caught off guard by his early return. With a playful grin, he instructs her to dress up, hinting at an unexpected celebration. The air fills with anticipation, a delightful mystery unfolding for their special night. Soon, they are in the car, the evening light casting a soft glow on their faces. Music plays softly, creating a romantic ambience for their journey. Sarah playfully tries to guess their destination, her curiosity piqued by Tom's hints. Their shared laughter fills the car, a melody of 10 years of happiness. Finally, they arrive at Mario's, the familiar, inviting glow of the Italian restaurant. The hostess greets them warmly, leading them to a beautifully set table. On the table, a bouquet of red roses awaits, a vibrant splash of color and romance. They exchange their gifts, each unwrapping a token of their enduring affection. Sarah's eyes light up as she sees the watch, a perfect reflection of Tom's style. Tom, equally touched, admires the thoughtful gift from his beloved wife. With glasses of red wine, they raise a heartfelt toast to their decade together. A decade of memories, challenges overcome, and a love that has only deepened with time. Their meal arrives, a delicious steak and rich red wine, perfectly complementing the celebration. They share stories, reminiscing about their journey, their eyes sparkling with shared history. Every glance, every touch speaks of a profound connection built over 10 wonderful years. The evening unfolds a perfect blend of romance, appreciation, and deep, abiding love. As they leave Mario's, hand in hand, the city lights twinkle around them, mirroring their joy. Their anniversary celebration, a beautiful reminder of the strength of their bond. Back home, the quiet intimacy of their space welcomes them, filled with love. They reflect on the day, each gesture, each word, a cherished memory. 10 years, and their love story is still being written with every passing moment. Here's to Tom and Sarah, and to many more years of beautiful, enduring love.